Okay, this is example 5 from section 4.1, and we're talking about the triangle sum theorem. And this is an SAT question, or a kind of SAT question, and they want to know what the angle C is right here. So it seems like it's not very easy to do. So one of those things that I like to do is write down things that I know. And the first thing I know is that there's a red triangle inside here. Or sorry, that I'm drawing right here. I'm drawing around the outside, the perimeter of it. And I know that there's an angle here that has two A's and an angle here that has two B's in it. So why don't I write that out? I know that the whole thing adds to 180, and I know there's an 80-degree angle right here. So I've got an 80-degree angle. I have two A's in the bottom left and two B's in the bottom right. So if I do a little bit of simplifying here, so say I subtract 80 from both sides, I'll be left with 100 here. And I'm going to then write 2a plus 2b equals 100. Well, it turns out they both have a 2 in front, so I can factor that out and go 2a plus b equals 100. And because of that, if I want, I can divide everything here by 2, and whatever I do to one side I do to the other, and I'll end up with 50 equals a plus b. And so what's nice about that is wherever you see an A and a B, you can replace it with a 50. So let's do that here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at that smaller triangle that's inside it. I have a green triangle right here. Okay? And I know the green triangle, I have A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. I know that triangle also adds up to 180. And just as I mentioned before, you see this A plus B here. A plus B is here. And we said wherever we see that, we can replace it with 50. So I'm going to replace A plus B with 50. And then I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides. And now I know C is 130 degrees, and that's what they wanted, was C was 130 degrees. So in a tricky way, I found the answer.